Nicole Unfettered, and tonight I want to talk about a very simple topic because I know there are a lot of aspiring business owners or those who have started business and want to make sure they've done the right things. Well, there are only 5 things that I think you need to do in order to, get the business up and going. The very first thing is you got to get a business name. Usually people do this through a DBA or they file a legal entity with their state. So you can be a corporation, LLC, a partnership. There are a number of different entities that you can file with your Secretary of State's website to find out the requirements and the fees you will need to pay in order to become a legal entity in that state. Second, once you get your legal entity or you choose the name that you want it to be, if you're a sole prop, you want to get an EIN. Now, if you're a sole prop, the IRS may not give you a separate EIN, but if you're a separate legal entity, you can apply for, it's called a taxpayer identification number. It's also called a federal identification number or just an employer identification number. You can apply for one of those for free on the IRS website. Just go to irs.gov. In the search menu, put EIN application, and you can complete the online application. And they also have a paper application that you can file. Once you have your EIN, the very next step you want to take is set up a business bank account. Do not commingle personal funds with business funds. This is one of the ways that a lot of business owners get into hot water with the IRS. You want to make sure those funds are separate, like spread like the River Jordan. Is that such thing? River Jordan? Okay. Spread it like the River Nile. The river that Moses went down. Spread it like that. Keep the two separate just because you don't want the IRS saying, hey, you're piercing the corporate veil. Creditors can also say that because they then can come after your personal assets and you want to avoid that at all costs. Then now you want to set up some type of tracking software to keep track of your income and your expenses. It is your responsibility to keep up with your income and your expenses. It's not someone that you pay or someone that pays you to keep up with that. 1099. This is a question I get very often. Well, do I have to report any income that I didn't receive on 1099? Well, yes, you do. It's income. So any income you earn in a tax year needs to be reported to the IRS. So again, it's not the person who gives you a 1099's responsibility to keep up with your income. It's yours. So make sure you find some type of software. You can use Excel, something that helps you keep track of that information. And last but not least, you're open for business. So hang out your shingle, advertise on social media, advertise on Facebook, advertise in the newspaper, advertise everywhere. Let the world know that you're open for business and that you're taking on new customers and new clients. And I wish you guys favor. This is Nicole with Nicole Unfettered, and I'll see you another night.